what is your advice? And as I said, in this call, we have students who are part of evangelistic campus outreach ministries like Campus Crusade for Christ. We have leaders of, even we have the associate national director of Campus Crusade for Christ here in this meeting. We have people who are leading various online web-based apologetics ministries, YouTube channels, engaging with the audience and making an impact for the gospel. What would be your concluding words of advice to all those who are
Yes.
here in the call?
Well, I think that we need to prepare ourselves academically and prepare ourselves spiritually for ministry. Academically, you folks in India enjoy the tremendous advantage that you are also English speakers. And there is a treasure trove of resources available in English that are closed to non-English speakers. So I would encourage you through your local university and through the internet especially, avail yourselves of the tremendous resources that are available in English in defense of theism and Christian theism in particular. Spiritually speaking, I would encourage those of you who are single to really guard your hearts. Do not be too eager to marry. The decision as to the person you marry is going to affect the rest of your life. And far too many marriages, Christian marriages, end in unhappiness and finally divorce. And if that happens, that is going to ruin your ministry. It's going to bring you untold heartache and unhappiness. And so if you're a single person, do not be focused on finding the right person to be married. Rather, focus on becoming yourself the right person to be married to. If you focus upon yourself and your walk with God to become the right kind of person you can be, then God can be trusted to bring that guy or that gal into your life that he intends for you. So my advice is to guard your heart. Do not be rash in falling in love. Do not be too quick in this, but be very circumspect and focus on becoming the right person that God wants you to be.